Looking for how to fix messenger notes not showing problem. In this video I show you how to fix messenger notes not showing problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for messenger, tap on messenger, update messenger if available any update version. Now back to home screen, then go to settings, scroll down, then taps on apps or application management. Now search for messenger, tap on messenger, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete, tap on force stop. Okay, now open messenger app. Not now. Okay, allow, close all apps. Now again open messenger. Now you can see the note option. Now I hope that this method fix messenger notes option not showing problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Aman's Guide.